Hello, my name is Daniel Castrina, and the proposal I am choosing is a proposal to my work, which is fanning. The problem that I have, and also my coworkers have, is working outside at the hottest times of the day, which is from 3 to 5. Working at this hot time has a lot of causes and effects. One main problem causes headaches, and this is from personal experience and my coworkers as well. We experience headaches while working in this excessive heat. Um, Another cause is getting tired. The heat from the sun drains us while we're working, and it just causes problems. A major effect that working at the hardest times of the day has is getting skin cancer, and we all know that any type of cancer is bad. So we can prevent getting skin cancer by letting us leave early. Also, we can get injured from working at the hottest times of the day. Here's some pictures. This is the types of cancer, and I put a picture of the sun. The solution I propose is that our company lets us work um, 2 hours earlier in the day. We usually work from 7 to 5, and my proposal is that we work from 5 to 3 so we don't enter working at the hottest times of the day. My solution benefits would be we get less chances of skin cancer. Ultra the ultraviolet radiation from the sun is what causes skin cancer, and so for us to be out of the sun the hottest times of the day would help a lot, and it would benefit our bodies. And another benefit is the same amount of work will be done. There's no time lost in this solution, just different times that we're working. And that's my contact info.